Hello everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video tutorial. Here as you can see, I have just uploaded a picture into my new project on a Capcut, and this picture was being screenshotted from the Instagram reel. As you can see, or as we know before, that the reel we downloaded from the Instagram also leaves the watermark here. And if we would like to remove this watermark or the caption or the song text, well, we can actually download or install an application from the Play Store or App Store. Let's say, or for example, the name is remove unwanted object. But this application also allows you to see or watch the advertisement first. But if you need the faster way to remove this object, I will in this video I will recommend you to use this AI. Then I will go into the browser here. The AI I will use is the liftapp.ai, because as you can see here, this AI also provides you the option to remove the unwanted object. I will click that section and I will upload the image from my gallery, and then I will click this picture. Then as you can see here, this option also show you a brush to mark the section that you would like to remove. Let's say I will start it from the size of 40. Then I will click this section. Then I will minimize the size so that the object I will remove will be deleted very detailed. And I will remove, or minimize the size again into the smallest brush size. And if you feel enough to mark the section, then I will apply it. It will take you a while to remove this object, and I hope the result can be good. So if you would like to do the editing, let's say for the photo or the video, I will also recommend you guys to do the scanning and also remove the junk file so that your processor can run very smooth and also there's no bug while editing. And this is the look after you delete the unwanted object. Then you can download this picture and go back to the Capcut to do the video editing and combine this picture with another picture or with another video. That's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or is there any feedback for this video, please don't be hesitant and don't forget to leave your comment on the comments down below. And if you have any requests and if you would like to practice these tips, please don't forget to let us know on the comment down below to see if this trick also worked for you. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye bye.